There are numerous items accessible to drill presses, each with various qualities, advantages, and costs. To help you make an informed decision, I did a broad examination, read lots of surveys, and gathered a rundown of the best drill presses from legitimate brands. After much exploration, I found these items much more supportive for individuals like you. If you have any desire to be aware of the cost and other data, make certain to actually take a look at my description, so immediately we should hop into the video. Number 1. 𝐻𝐸 4214 T5 amp. Remember when power tools were actually powerful? 𝐻𝐸's 12-inch swing, variable speed drill press with laser centering device, is a powerhouse for your shop. Packed with features that you'll find in larger, more industrial type drill presses. This benchtop cast iron drill press has the power to drill through metal, wood and other materials. Max drill capacity is 5/8 in 1 thick cast iron. The variable speed feature allows you to target in the exact speed, infinitely from 580-3200 RPM, that works for your project. While you are working, you simply move a lever and adjust the speed as needed. No pulleys and belts to change. Our design uses a mechanical variable speed which allows for the same power and torque through the entire speed range. A digital readout powered by LEDs displays the running speed. Constructed with a rigid frame consisting of cast iron, head, table, and base, ensures accurate holes. Its powerful induction motor features ball bearings for an extended life, and it all comes together with smooth and balanced performance even at high speeds. The 5/8 chuck with MT2 spindle taper gives you versatility with a variety of bits, and features on-board chuck key storage, so you never have to hunt around for it. Number 2. Shop Fox W1668. Just like its little brother, this 12-speed drill press doubles as an oscillating sander that can be used for efficient contour sanding. With more speeds, more power and more capacity, this machine becomes an effective tool for heavier use. The table has a clearance hole for use while sanding. This clever design incorporates a dust collection port, so your sanding jobs are less messy. With a 3/4-inch drilling capacity in steel, you'll be able to tackle most any drilling job as well. The W1668 offers the ability to tilt the table 90 degrees to both the left and right. You can adjust the table height and tilt to accommodate for workpiece height or achieve special drilling or sanding angles. You can also move the table out of the way and use the drill press base as a table for drilling or sanding. Number 3. Jet JWDP12. When is a drill press powerful enough to tackle the big jobs and portable enough to do it anywhere? When it's the Jet 12-inch variable speed drill press. A powerful 0.5 HP induction motor pushes through almost anything you throw at it. Over 318 spindle travel for maximum depth cutting, and our innovative 𝐥-𝐸𝐴 laser that ensures drilling accuracy makes this workhorse the best choice for in your shop or on the go. 10x1618 cast iron base fits neatly on benches with limited space. 𝐥-𝐸𝐴 laser ensures perfection every time. LED work light increases visibility for intricate applications. Clear linear scale features a depth stop. Number 4. 𝐂𝐸𝐴 1200W magnetic drill press. Our portable drill press generates exceptionally strong power thanks to its 1200W copper motor. It is capable of drilling into the toughest materials at 550 RPM. Maximum coring diameter 0.9 inches 23 mm. Maximum traveling distance 8.26 inches 210 mm. The powerful magnet can generate 13,500 N of holding force, ensuring the drill press machine does not move in the work. Our magnetic drill press anchors itself securely during work thanks to its electromagnet base. The dustproof air inlet and exhaust air holes are designed to effectively cool the magnetic drill press during overheating and lift the security to a higher level. Ergonomic design handle provides a comfortable grip in operation and transport. 3 extended crank handles are coated with non-slip rubber for labor-saving operation. The external carbon brush allows you to operate the mag drills with minimum effort. Number 5. Built Hard 8-inch drill press. With CSA certification, 8-inch swing, 2-inch spindle travel, a 0.5-inch key chuck, 23 total height, induction motor, 2.3 amp 120 volts 661,140 1740 23 43,000 RPM, drill through wood, sheet metal, plastics. High speed for low density material, low speed for hard object and sheet steel. The work table can bevel 45-degree left and right, adjustable table height for versatility. The steel frame ensures durability and accurate drilling. The base contains pre-drilled holes for mounting onto a bench or workstand. We guarantee this product to be free from defects in materials and workmanship 30 days from the date of purchase. Our support team is on standby for you. The easy-to-read locking depth stop can easily control both downstroke depth and upstroke travel for accurate and repeatable drilling operations.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, to check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.